How to install Reolink app on Android phone. Want to monitor your cameras on the go? Here's how to install the Reolink app on your Android phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Here at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Reolink. Now look for the official Reolink app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install. Now wait for the download and installation to complete. Once it's done, open the app and sign in or create a new account to start managing your cameras. Have you tried Reolink on Android before? Tell us how it worked for you in the comments below. Make sure your Android OS is up to date for the best performance of the Reolink app. And that's how you can install Reolink app on Android phone. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.